Hey guys, really quickly, I wanted to show you the concatenate function in Excel. This will allow you to string together some things and you can generate an Excel file with student passwords instead of having to do the formula, figuring it out yourself. So you're going to need an Excel file with the following information: last name, first name, social security number, and student email. This is already, you can generate this in PowerSchool and then just put it in an Excel file or download it in an Excel file. So what we're going to do under the password thing is the concatenate function. We're going to write equals, and in all caps, we're going to concatenate. And then we're going to go ahead and open up our formula. And it kind of gives you a little cheat underneath it. What we need to do is, since we're doing first name, John, we're doing the first three letters of the first name, and that's located on the left. So we're going to type in left. Then open the next one, and we need this in column B2. So we're going to type in B2, comma, and we need the first three. So then we're going to close that out. Okay, next, put a comma, we're going to open it up again. Okay, next we need the last four of the social security number. So we're going to open it up, we're going to type in right, then open another one, whoops, and we're going to do C2, comma, 4, because it's the 4 on the right. Close it, and we need to close out the right one too. So 2 closed ones, comma. Next is the exclamation point we need to put in quotation marks. So quotation mark, exclamation point, quotation mark. Then we need to close out the whole formula. So they should match up. You should, before you hit enter, check your parentheses to make sure all the parentheses are correct. Hit enter and it worked. So let's say you need to go in and make some changes. All you have to do is, I'll show you 2 different ways. First thing, let's go ahead and paste it here. It automatically shifted it, you see, from B3 to B2. Also, you can take this little drag mark, drag it all the way down, and then we have our passwords for these fictional students. Now, look at the bottom one. This one right here, anytime you've got someone with an apostrophe, that may need to change. So that may need to change from a apostrophe to an A. Those are kind of looked at on an individual basis. Try those 3 different passwords, and if they don't work, always email help desk and we can get it figured out for you.